Welcome back, and today I got my first ever Scale Trains HO scale locomotive. The last time I got the first ever Scale Trains come to my channel was Scale Trains Santa Fe C44-640 right there. So now I got the CSX one, so let's see what it is. I have to move a billboard out of the way to a track site right there, and let's see what it is. Ooh, this is going to be awesome one. The GE AC4400 CW CSX Transportation number 37. That's one free seat paint scheme since 2021 with DCC and sound, since it was introduced a few years ago. Oops, sorry about that. So, let's take it out of the box. So let's see what's going to happen. Before that, here's operations manual. Wow, the manual is so large. Look at that. Look at that. So, I know I can do these functions right there. So I'll pull up in a table. Let's do it. Taking out a package. Many other YouTubers did review on my other Scale Trains AC44s. And now I got the AC44 on my Line 3C. Welp, here it is. I recently saw this at a Big E train show, which is I was able to see it in person. So make sure I will check it out on the Big E train show highlights on my channel right there as a few months ago. And let's take out this package. Wow. It even got these came apart. Hold on. I can see the reflectors. And now, here it comes. This is so big. Wow, it got some spare parts in right there. Well, here it is. Time for a time lapse. Look at that as a finished product. It does some pretty nice. It has some pretty nice bogies. They look realistic. Look at all these bogies. It also comes with a valve foil that protects the bogies. So I might be able to do it way quick. I remove these parts and say hello to the first ever CS Line 3C has come to my HO collection. Here's a CSX AC44 400 CW CSX website logo. Line 3C is at csx.com, www.csx.com. And pretty much realistic bogies. Look at that, it does have a king with that one too. Let's play some tracks and find out. It looks like they have pretty nice brown trucks on the tracks. along with pretty much complaints, like I mentioned, because they are bigger now than its N-scale counterpart. Pretty nice. And as a result, they coupled pretty well with other brands. Now it's time for March's doing testings. Time for do some testings, and yeah. First off, I can power up the track. Oh, when it starts up, it sounds realistic. I loved it. Here's a headlight. The headlight looks pretty awesome. And couplings, dynamic braking, DPU lights. F6 means stitch lights. They are mal-directional. Look at that. That looks pretty unique. F7, no commands. F8, startup sequence. Wow! The one Mumblebirds are lined up. And there's some lights on the track too. It even got its lights on the side. Pretty cool. Here's a horn. As you can see, the ditch lights are starting to flash. And when it's a pretty was a K5 LA. I loved it a lot. Here's the bell. Same bell as Santa Fe 640, but it's a larger sound. I loved it a lot. Here are some watches, or something will happen. I just turn the throttle to forward when it shows up. Wow! Look at all the lights on the rear one. They're unique. It looks like it's time to get going, so first up we can just do some marches a lot. Let's see. Here's March 1. Oh, it starts to go! Look at the boogies! It's going pretty well on this one. Pretty nice. And I also have a realistic truck sounds. I've never seen like that before, so that's pretty awesome. One goes go faster like this. Pretty awesome. I think the CSX-37 is probably one of my favorite scale trains locomotive I haven't had, besides the Santa Fe 640. And as a result, the Plows did a good job doing the Kato and Unitrack 8 show. It is way better than Kato and Gauge, which is kind of tricky for Concrete's one. But overall, this is pretty awesome scale trains product. Now, let's see I can program the CSX-37 with Wally Limited address changer. Gosh, turn this off. Alrighty, now let's do some programming. I placed this CSX-37 on the tracks. Now it says address free. Now let's do some programming. Key these numbers 00. Now it says 37. So let's see what shall we program. And voila! This CSX locomotive is now programmed to 37. Doing some test gains. It looks pretty good overall. Pointing at some ditch rights. And starting up. And now let's do some coupling to the other cars. Here it goes! Nice realistic truck sounds! I loved it! I've never seen like that before. Wow! In conclusion, this is probably one of my best scale trains with a counter engine that I own. Coming soon, I will give a carburetor on my date. Will be on Scale Trains 1. So that'll be very awesome. So overall, this is pretty awesome. We'll come up with some pretty nice animated bogies. Unlike the 736.4 like I had previously. So, yeah. In conclusion, this is probably one of my best CSX locomotives I ever had. Let me turn off this so I can do a conclusion. In conclusion, this is probably one of my favorite HO-scale CSX trains that have been collected. It does some pretty nice anime bogies, pretty nice realistic couplings, and even got its brown trucks. I loved it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Peace out, folks.